Imagine a spider so massive it could eat a bird for breakfast. Sounds like something out of a horror movie, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of the tarantula Goliath, nature's very own eight-legged giant. The tarantula Goliath, scientifically known as Theraphosa blondi, is not your average house spider. This arachnid behemoth has been captivating the imaginations of scientists and arachnophiles alike since its discovery. But how did such a colossal creature come to be? Let's unravel the web of its formation and development. The story of the tarantula Goliath begins millions of years ago in the lush, humid rainforests of South America. As with many species, its evolution was driven by the need to survive and thrive in its environment. Over time, natural selection favored larger individuals that could better defend themselves against predators and more efficiently catch prey. The ancestors of the tarantula Goliath likely started as much smaller spiders. However, as the rainforest ecosystem evolved, so did they. The abundance of large insects and small vertebrates in their habitat provided an opportunity for these spiders to grow bigger. Those that could take advantage of these larger food sources had a better chance of survival and passing on their genes. But size wasn't the only factor in their evolution. The tarantula Goliath also developed specialized adaptations to suit its environment. Its body became covered in urticating hairs, a defense mechanism that can cause severe irritation to potential predators. These hairs can be flicked off by the spider when it feels threatened, creating a cloud of microscopic barbs that can deter even the most persistent attacker. As the tarantula Goliath grew in size, it also developed more powerful venom. While not lethal to humans, their venom is potent enough to subdue their prey, which can include animals as large as small mammals and birds. This combination of size, defensive mechanisms, and powerful venom allowed the tarantula Goliath to become the apex predator of its arthropod world. Now, let's talk about the characteristics that make the tarantula Goliath truly stand out. First and foremost is its sheer size. With a leg span that can reach up to 12 inches, it's the largest spider in the world by mass. To put that into perspective, imagine a dinner plate with hairy legs sticking out from all sides. That's about the size of a fully grown tarantula Goliath. But it's not just their size that's impressive. These spiders are built like tanks. Their exoskeleton is thick and durable, providing excellent protection against predators. Their legs are sturdy and powerful, allowing them to move quickly despite their bulk. And let's not forget those fangs. They can grow up to an inch long and are capable of delivering a painful bite. Color-wise, the tarantula Goliath isn't exactly what you'd call flashy. They typically sport a dark brown coloration, which helps them blend in with the forest floor where they spend most of their time. This camouflage is crucial for both hunting and avoiding predators. One of the most fascinating characteristics of the tarantula Goliath is its longevity. Females of the species can live up to 25 years in captivity, making them one of the longest-lived spider species known to science. Males, unfortunately, have a much shorter lifespan, typically living only 3 to 6 years. The tarantula Goliath's reproductive cycle is equally intriguing. Females can lay up to 200 eggs at a time, which they carefully wrap in a silk cocoon and guard fiercely. The spiderlings hatch after about 2 months and immediately begin to fend for themselves. It takes several years for these tiny spiders to reach their full, imposing size. Despite their intimidating appearance, tarantula Goliaths are actually quite docile when it comes to humans. They're not aggressive and will usually try to retreat rather than attack when confronted. However, their large size and powerful bite mean that they should always be treated with respect and caution. In their natural habitat, tarantula Goliaths play a crucial role in the ecosystem. As predators, they help control populations of insects and small vertebrates. They're also an important food source for larger animals like coitus and giant anteaters. Their burrows, which can be up to a foot deep, provide homes for other small creatures when abandoned. The tarantula Goliath's impressive size and unique characteristics have made it a popular subject of study for scientists. Researchers are particularly interested in their venom, which could potentially have medical applications. Their long lifespan also makes them valuable subjects for studying arthropod, aging, and longevity. Unfortunately, like many species, the tarantula Goliath faces threats from habitat destruction and the illegal pet trade. While not currently endangered, conservation efforts are crucial to ensure these fascinating creatures continue to thrive in their natural habitat. As we've seen, the tarantula Goliath is far more than just a big spider. It is a testament to the incredible diversity of life on our planet and the amazing adaptations that can arise through evolution. From its humble beginnings millions of years ago to its current status as the world's largest spider, the tarantula Goliath continues to captivate and inspire. Whether you're an arachnid enthusiast or just someone who appreciates the wonders of nature, the tarantula Goliath is a creature that demands attention and respect. Its size may be what first catches your eye, but it's the spider's complex biology, fascinating behavior, and important ecological role that truly make it a giant among arachnids. So the next time you come across a house spider and feel a shiver of fear, just remember, it could be worse. It could be a tarantula Goliath. But then again, maybe that wouldn't be so bad after all. These gentle giants of the spider world have much more to offer than just nightmares. They're a reminder of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth, and a testament to the ongoing wonders of evolution. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey into the world of the tarantula Goliath. I hope you've enjoyed this 8-legged adventure as much as I have. Until next time, keep your eyes open for the wonders of nature, both big and small. Goodbye for now.